How to make Opera GX default browser on mobile. So let's get started.
Alright, so now to make it your default browser on mobile is even if you're using Android, you can basically just do the same thing. So first is you could try searching for a setting right here and you want to type in default. And then you might have some default apps right here as your option, especially if you're in Android. You want to tap on it, open that, and then you want to select Opera GX from there. But you could also try this other one, even if you're in Android, which basically works for iOS. So from here, you want to scroll down, go into apps, and from here, you can see the default apps right here. So from here, you could basically just choose the browser app and just choose Opera GX just like that. And it will now be selected as your default browser. But in my case, I just want to go back. Or you can also go for the Opera GX app right here, which is right here. And you'll still see the default browser app. So this could also work if you're in Android. So you want to make sure that you check this option out. So that's it on how you can make Opera GX default mobile browser. Thank you for watching.